Hey guys, this is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today. Today I'm going to be doing a review for you of an entertainment center TV stand that I got from Amazon. I'm going to tell you guys, I was a little bit skeptical at first. It was only $120. I wasn't really sure if it was going to be what I was looking for. I thought maybe it might be a little cheap looking. But I'm going to tell you, after I got it all put together, I like it, guys. This is really what I was looking for. It's nice and long. It's about 58 inches long. Has a nice wood-like finish on the top. Some sliding barn doors in the front. If you slide over, you got plenty of room in between. I have my computer there, my old PlayStation. Drawers on the side for movies, DVDs, whatever you want to put in there. I actually have my doors on backwards. If you put them on the way they're supposed to go, they have a little cross in front. I didn't really like that too much. I like this clean look a little bit better, so I decided to just go with that. This probably took me about 30, maybe 40 minutes at the most, putting it together very leisurely. Comes with all the tools you need. The instructions online say 2 hours, but it definitely doesn't take that. You don't need two people either. It's got a nice back section to hide all your cables. It is pre-drilled with 2 holes for cables that go through all your cords. And the nice thing about this one, it has slots inside of it when you put it together to slide the back in, so you don't have to nail it or anything like that. You just slide it in, put the top on, screw everything down. I'm pretty impressed with it. I wasn't too sure if this was going to be what I was looking for, but this looks really nice in my apartment, guys. I am super happy with it. But I'm going to be honest, this is the honest part of the video, guys. If you have a $500,000 house, $2 million house, this probably isn't what you're looking for. But if you're like me, if you have a $1,800 a month apartment, $2,000 a month apartment, or a house that you're renting, you don't have a ton of money to throw around on furniture right now, this is perfect for you guys. It doesn't look cheap. It has a nice real wood look, even though it's pressed board, but it is nice and sturdy, doesn't shake, nice and solid, holds my 55-inch screen TV very well. It's got plenty of room on it for whatever you need. I do have my TV that I got from Amazon. I'm going to be doing a video about that. The TV stand that I actually really like. I'm going to be doing another video on that one. I'll link some links to it so that you can check out those other videos once I get them published. But that's it, guys. I'm really happy with this. Came from Amazon, like I said, for about 120 bucks. Shipped next day. Really easy to put together. Very nice look, very clean. And I appreciate you guys watching my video. This is my first video, starting my new YouTube review channel. So if you guys could help me out, I'd really appreciate it. Maybe hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you want. Leave a comment. Ask any questions. Feel free to ask any questions about measurements or whatever. I will answer them as soon as I can. And again, this is Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Hopefully you'll come back and watch the rest of my videos. I plan on posting more weekly. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.